This is sad, man. Topstep, count your days, man. Look at this. I can't do anything. It's been tweaking all morning. A plus setup, bro. I can't do anything. What are they gonna do, bro? This is what, the second time, either this month or the last month. Like, no. I gave Topstep one more chance. Hold up. When's the last time this happened? Because I have a video on it. This is sad, bro. I think everyone's leaving Topstep after this. This happened on the 26th of November. So literally like 3 weeks ago. From that point on, I told myself, I'm giving Topstep one more chance. Nah, it's done. It's done. I don't know how they're going to compensate for this, to what happened today, but I don't think it's going to do much. Or what are they going to do? Just give us a free XFA? It's not like they're going to give out free money. Even though it shouldn't be. It's not free money. Like, I won this trade, man. At least I got to capitalize it on the live account, bro. Bro, this is sad, dude. A plus setup. Dude, look at that. Look at that. Come on, bro. And the reason why I have a negative balance is because I entered. I did a sell visit, or entered, right? Dude, look at this. This is ridiculous. I entered, right? And then it didn't pop up. I entered. So I had to enter the order again. And I was like, oh shoot, I'm in 10 contracts now. So I had to sell it. Or in this case, I had to buy it back. And then that made me be in a loss. Nah, Topstep, count your days. If anybody's watching this, comment some new prop firms or something, because this is ridiculous. I think I might just go to Alpha Futures, but don't they use the same, like, don't they use Project X? I don't know. Because Alpha Futures literally looks exactly the same as Topstep. Like the whole layout and stuff. Maybe that's it. I know you can use like Tradeovate / Ninja Trader, which might have to be the move. I think Topstep, I think you're done, buddy. No, I don't think you are done. You're cooked, buddy. We got the CEO tweeting about like some purple tea. Hold on, let me check it on my phone or my desktop. This is ridiculous, man. And then I go on their live, right? They're still on the screen. This is sad, bro. Multi-million dollar company. This is sad, man. What is his name? Patek? Michael Patek. Let me just go on my For You on Twitter. Look at this. I'm reading this right now. This is from Topstep support on their X. Hey traders, we're aware of an issue impacting Topstep X. It's currently affecting all traders. You may not be able to log in or trade right now until we recommend you avoid trading if you are able to access Topstep X. They actually tweeted that at 8:57. So I mean I didn't see that. So I mean, what do you? Come on, bro. Everyone who traded on their XFA put themselves at risk today, so they deserve a free XFA. Everyone who traded eval. That's what someone commented. This is sad, man. Dude, they had another problem on December 4th. Like, oh, but this, no, that's not even. Bro, why didn't they take away Tradeovate? I mean, I've never used it, but bro. Like, we got the CEO tweeting this. Look at all the comments, bro. I saw this like 20 minutes ago. Topstep X. Nah, you're done. You're done. Topstep, you're done. Oh, I'm still in the position. I wonder what's gonna happen. I guess I'm just gonna go over the trade and maybe it like ends up closing or something. I should get a free reset, or no. I should get a free XFA and I should get the profit. They're not gonna do that. They're not. They're just not gonna do that. I wonder what they did last. No, I know what they did last time. I don't know what they did for XFAs though. Cause I was trading on a eval. And then they just like took all the negative balance away. Bro, give me my money. This is not even real money. I don't even think this money is like generated into the market. This is stimulated. This is still stimulated no matter if you're on XFA, eval. Nah, you're done, buddy. Let me go alpha futures. We're already 6 minutes in. I want to keep my videos as short as possible, but might have to copy alpha futures, and you can pass it in one day. You're gonna have to hit like a crazy RR because you can only risk what you can only risk like 1,000 in a day for the zero account. But I might just get the standard or whatever. I just don't want to pay the activation. We'll see, man. But Topstep, depending on what happens, you know, if I still have my I should still have my XFA. I'm just gonna try to either blow it or try to get the next payout. And yeah, but for the time, Topstep is done. So I guess I'm just gonna recap it on here. Took on S&P. Well, this kind of looks like whack because we had a new contract change. Can I even go through? Okay. All right. Today. Let's see. Okay. My buys coming today was actually bearish because I was kind of looking at my previous losses last night and seeing like, okay, what is similar between these losses? And what I kind of realized and remember is that, and saw from my journal, is that I kind of lose when the higher time frames are seeing a specific trend. Like, it's pretty obvious what kind of trend we're in, right? And I try to take a reversal because that's kind of what my strategy and hedge is based on. And so, you know, it's kind of hard to like see if I'm doing something wrong or not, because I am taking my strategy, but it's like, am I implementing it the correct way? Like, should I be following the major trend or what? But yeah, like I was saying, that's my previous losses. I've kind of like gone against the higher time frame trend, and I kind of it's because I kind of focus on what the 1 hour structure is. Like, depending if we broke 1 hour structure, broke to the upside, downside, no matter what. So, for example, we broke structure on the hourly right here. But what are we on the higher time frames? Like, what are we doing? We're just selling off. Like, look at this. We've just been selling off. And sure, this is just a 1 hour break of structure compared to this whole move. So like, I get kind of caught up in that. So I've been trying to tell myself, okay, what are we in? What are we respecting? Are we respecting bullish order flow, bearish order flow? Things like that. And obviously we are invalidating some fair value gaps right here and stuff, but I mean, just look at the overall time frame, high time frame trend and stuff like that. So that's why I was kind of bearish. I wanted price to come up, take out some highs, and then look to push lower. First, we got a liquidity sweep for buy side right here. ES cleanly sweep this low, and then we end up going up, targeting some low resistance highs. The Nasdaq ended up taking out this hourly high, so this is what this trade is based on. I was like, I really wanted to see that. Forgot to mention we had news today, NFP, big time news. I usually don't trade on NFP, but and also they used to land on Fridays, but this time it's on Tuesday because this is old NFP, I think. And then yeah, but I was still willing to trade today. So with that being said, we have liquidity sweep, 5-minute confirmation with the SMT, 5-minute SMT, 5-minute retrace into equilibrium, and then 1-minute confirmation. Come in, equilibrium, boom. Beautiful reaction, aggressive reaction. Obviously, ideal entry would have been right here, but beggars can't be choosers. And then, yeah, just beautiful. I usually don't take partials, but today I felt kind of confident in taking this low because how bearish we are. And so, on the Topstep, my plan was to take 4 contracts off at this sell side and leave a runner for this sell side. But obviously, Topstep had different plans. So, there's that. And, yeah, took it on the live as well. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Took it off right here. I manually took it off on the live. So that's why the whatever is, the price is at 4475, so right here, manually closed right here. And so there's that, and then I had my last contract, I had a limit buy right here. So perfect A+ setup. Couldn't capitalize on the XFA because stupid Topstep. This is sad, bro. Multi-million-dollar company. Could be, is it $100 million company? We'll just say it is. Sad, man. Sad. But I guess this is the end of the recap. Maybe I do an update later in this video, maybe not. Maybe I talk about it in the next video, I don't know. But yeah, God bless. Alright, little update, it actually went through. So this is actually what my balance should be. I think take profit was like something, or like, it's kind of hard to tell because I took partial to take profits, but I was down $24 right here, and then my balance would have been like 560, yeah, 67, and then minus 24, so that it checks out because it's like the same amount as the live. I just had slightly a bit different entry. I think my entry was 6525, and then yeah, about like 0.5 points different. So yeah, this is what I was talking about earlier. So I went in with 5, and then nothing popped up, and then I entered again. So I'm in a sell position with 10 contracts, and then it updated. I was like, oh wait, what? And then I had to buy 5 more contracts so I can have 5 contracts in. And then yeah, took 4 off this and left a runner for this line. Literally bottom tick, beautiful. But yeah, I actually went through. I don't know. They better not. I don't it wouldn't make sense, but you never know. They shouldn't take away this day my profits away, my hard-earned profits. I think if I lost money on the day, they would have just reset it. That's what they did last time. But give me a free XFA, bro. This is BS, dude. I can't. That's the least they can do, honestly. Least. So, yeah. Just want to give an update with that. And Topstep, you're still cooked. You're done. God bless.